Cavian. Hi, Mama. Hi, baby. I just finished eating, so she's nice and content. She's gonna be fussing in a minute because she's gonna want somebody to pick her up. And that somebody will be me. Say hi, Nana. We're just hanging out. Got a full tummy and a dry booty. As you can see, she has a double chin now. So, we've been eating good. Uh-oh, got the hiccups. Alrighty, say bye-bye.